Hi guys, there was a time when automatically creating captions for your videos was really difficult, hard to do and super time consuming. Those days are gone. I'm going to show you how to do it in Premiere in less than 2 minutes, so let's go. You're going to head over to your Premiere and load in your whatever it is that you want to put captions on. In this instance I've got an interview here, so you can see that there. We're going to get our clip, so just select the layer that you want to transcribe or make your captions of. Go on to text there. If it's not available, go window and then text. I'll show you that. Create transcription. So keep all these settings as I've done there. Audio on track. You can pick which audio track you want to do. In this instance, I know that track audio 1 is the audio for this particular interview, so I'm going to use that. Let's press transcribe and see what it does. So here, look, it's rendering the audio and transcribing on the device. Wait for a second, it's just going to go through. This is a 2:30 interview, so it gives you an idea. Then, look, when we play this video.
I'm Baha. My name is Bahamud. We've been doing cars since 2002.
You know, it needs a bit of changing, stuff like that, so we're going to do that now. I know this man's name, so I'm going to double click where I want to change stuff, like this.
I'm
and then
Baha.
You can click off there and just press play.
We've been doing cars since 2002.
To save you some time, what we're going to do is, rather than me going in and editing every single word, which I'm sure you don't really want to watch, I'm going to show you how to get those captions on the screen. You can do the editing at a later date. So once you've done all your editing and you're happy with all the text and it matches up to what the person's saying, all you're going to do is go head over to this CC, create captions, and press create captions. Off it goes, look, doing that. So you've now got this layer. Can you see when I'm dragging across there? Okay.
I'm Baha. My name is Bahamud. We've been doing cars since 2002.
And can you see how easy is that? In another video, I'm going to show you how to style these captions, but for now, that's the easiest way to auto transcribe any video in Premiere. And you just export it as normal. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. See you on the next one. Bye for now.